A reaction is of second order with respect to the reactant. How its reaction rate is affected, the concentration is doubled or reduced off. Right? First, it has been given a second order reaction. So first, let us take the concentration of reactant. Concentration of reactant, let us take as A. Concentration of reactants நம்ம A ன்னு எடுத்துக்கிறோம். Let us take the concentration of the reactant as A. Then order of the reaction, order it has been given as 2. So rate of the reaction is equal to concentration of the reactant. Rate concentration of the reactant to the power of 2. That is equal to K into, we had assumed the concentration of the reactant is A. So Ka square. This is the equation first. Let us consider this first equation. Then what happens if the concentration is doubled? Right, if the concentration is doubled. So first case, concentration doubled. Doubled in the sense, what does it means? A is equal to 2A. So substitute this in this equation. So rate is equal to K into 2A square. That is equal to 4Ka square. So what happens? First the reaction is normally it is Ka square. Now it is 4A square when the reaction is doubled. So this is the answer, that is the rate of the reaction increases by, the rate increases by 4 times. The rate increases by 4 times. When the concentration is doubled. Right? When the concentration is doubled. Okay. Then, second case. What happened to the rate when the concentration is halved? That means concentration we get taken, that is equal to A. So that is equal to A is equal to 1 by 2A. A is equal to 1 by 2A. So substitute this in the equation 1. Substitute this in this equation. Substitute this in this equation here. So Ka square. So Ka square in the sense, upper rate is equal to K into 1 by 2 A square. K into 1 by 2 A square. So this can be written as 1 by 4 K A square. So what happens here? It has been reduced to the quarter. It has been reduced to the quarter. So what happens when the reactant is halved? What happens to the rate? The rate has been reduced to water. Right? Again from the beginning. The rate of a second order reaction, the reaction is of second order with respect to the reactant. How is the reaction rate to be affected if the concentration is doubled, if the concentration is reduced to half? So let us consider the concentration of reactant as A. In order it has been given as 2. So from that rate we have been written K is equal, rate is equal to K into A to the power of 2, order of the reaction. So A we had assumed as small a, so that Ka square. So if A is doubled, A is equal to, the concentration is doubled, A is equal to 2A. And if we substitute that, we can get this value. The reaction has been increased by 4 times. And if A is halved, A is equal to 1 by 2A. If we substitute that, we can get that value that the reactant if reduced by half amount, the rate will be reduced by quarter amount, right? That's the thing.